This is what I found today. It's Georgian, 1700s. So it's falling apart. It needs a pin going through there. The pin broke. It's still inside. In there. There's still a pin in it. And there's a pin. The pin is still in there as well. And in there. It's going to have to be fixed by a jeweler or something. I've lost one of the studs is missing from there, unfortunately. But I could be get one made for that. And there's a stamp there. You can see it. Oh, it's upside down, I think. Turn it round. There, you see the lion. Oh, come here, you bugger. Come here, come here. Oh, I can't get it to sit properly. Let me see my hand. See the lion in there? It's been stamped. It's got a stamp there. And then there's this bit. Also has the lion by my thumb there. And it's got letters here. Which it says CRG. That would be the maker's mark. And we think this lion is the hallmark for London, which you would have on silver things. That's as far as we know. I've had my mates looking through his books to find out, but we've come to a decision that it's Georgian, 1700s to 1800s. It could have been an antique from the 1700s, and they were using it in the 1800s, or possibly it's 1800s. But anyway, it's silver, and it all weighs together. I weighed it. I'll show you on my scales here. I'll turn my scales on in a sec. Turn them on. And grams. No, there's no cocaine. There's nothing else on my scales. No. Oh, that looks a bit green. Somebody been borrowing my scales, I wonder. Anyway, let's put this on. The forky bit is 1.3 gram. Then I'll add the middle bit. It's 6.8 grams. And the buckle bit we'll take it up to 12 grams. 12.1 grams. I'm not cheating. Super find. I'm so pleased I found this. That's a nice piece of history. An antique. So if I get it fixed, perhaps I can have, might get 100 quid for it. That would be good, wouldn't it? 12 grams of silver. Super! Anyway, I'll see you later, guys.